Welcome to Lesson 2, Introduction to Classes and Objects. In this particular lesson, we're going to be focusing on what classes are and also what methods, instance variables, and objects of classes are used for in an application. When you're building Java applications or any kind of Java program, you're always going to be building class definitions, and within those class definitions, you're going to have methods that enable you to implement the functionality of the class, and you're going to have instance variables that help you implement the state of each of the objects of your class to store data within those objects. So in this chapter, we want to focus on how to build classes. And we're also going to be focusing on how to use a class to create objects in your program and then interact with those objects. Along the way, we'll show you how to add methods to your classes and then invoke those methods through your objects that you create in your program. We'll show you how to add instance variables to your class and talk about the special relationships between all the members of a class that enable a method to interact with a class's instance variables. We're going to show you the differences between instance variables of a class and local variables inside of methods of your class. We're going to talk about a special type of method called a constructor, which is automatically invoked for you at the time that you create an object of your class, and it gives you an opportunity to make sure that your objects are initialized from the moment they are created in your program. And then finally, we're going to talk about some of the differences between the so-called primitive types of Java, things like integers, floats, doubles, and characters, and the so-called reference types in Java. Anything that is not a primitive type is considered to be a Java reference type, and as you'll see, all reference types are dynamically allocated in Java, and that also causes you to program with them in a specific manner. So we'll talk about all of those details here in Lesson 2.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.